But because I ain't cracked her back since we broke up.
Don't lie.
I haven't cracked. God. I haven't cracked her back since we broke up, dude. I'm serious.
You've been cracking her back all the time. Don't lie.
No. Oh, fucking
You're still on the phone with Preston.
Oh, hey, Preston. Crack. No, for hey, no, we were talking about crack.
He just cracked his own back. He just cracked his own back.
No, dude. No, man. I forgot you were on the phone with me, dude. No, that's my bad. Can you bring some,
Back.
Quit saying my ex-girlfriend. God damn it, dude.
Some bad cracker.
I just want some donuts and chocolate milk, man. Dude, don't listen to them anything that they say about Ashley fuck.
Woosah.
Because I'm an Oscar.
Woosah.
Dude.
Woosah.
Ashley fuck.
Preston, I need your help, dude. And you don't even care right now, dude. All you care about is pussy. That's fucked up, dude. That's so fucked up, dude.
Neighborhood market.
Yeah. Well, what? Yeah, Asia. Oh yeah, Asia's at my house. I forgot. Hey, I forgot Asia was there. I'm sorry. Hey, Asia. Give me that vanilla milkshake and put it at my nightstand. I'll be there in a little while. And no, dude, I'm not being anything sexual with you, Asia. I'm telling you what I want.
That's what it's called. That's what it's called.
There's nothing sexual about that.
That's what it's
All
called.
I'm saying is when I get to bed, like I would like
vanilla milkshake.
That's all I said. Y'all are totally taking things out of context.